The high-profile legal case that Johnny Depp and Amber Heard are engaged in has caused a commotion in the community. The actor has initiated a defamation action against his ex-wife in the amount of $50 million, and both of them are taking part in the proceeding. It relates to an opinion piece that she wrote for the Washington Post in 2018, in which she made some veiled accusation of domestic violence against him. Jennifer Aniston, Jason Momoa, Winona Ryder, and Elon Musk are just a few of the famous people who have publicly taken a stance on this issue. As a result of them testifying in favor of their preferred candidates, a large number of famous people are also participating in the litigation. Former girlfriends of JD, including Vanessa Paradis, Winona Ryder, and Jennifer Grey, have all refuted charges that he was violent towards them sexually or physically. It is expected that Kate Moss will soon take stance and rally around the actor who appeared in the Pirates of the Caribbean. On the other hand, Elon Musk was supposed to stand up for Amber Heard, but he dropped out in the last minute, and Depp's ex-wife Ellen Barkin came out against him. In the middle of the confusion and new information, aren't you at least a little bit curious about why Amber Heard decided to drop her own case? He was the one and only Robert Downey Jr. It would appear that Johnny Depp, 58, Pirates of the Caribbean, The Curse of Black Pearl, 21 Jump Street, Sweeney Todd, not only has his fans on his side when it comes to the ongoing battle he's having with his ex-wife Amber Heard, 35, Aquaman, The Rum Diary, Drive Angry Piper, but he also has the support of a well-known Hollywood actor. Amber Heard is an actress who has appeared in films such as the legal proceeding that Johnny Depp and Amber Heard are now going through is being broadcast live on television right now. The trouble started when Amber Heard published an opinion piece in which she claimed that Johnny Depp had abused her. Allegations that Johnny Depp had physically abused his former wife have quickly become a topic of curiosity for everyone. Depp claims that Heard's allegations are false and that he has never been found guilty of crime in a court of law. He also claims that he has never been charged with a crime. As a result of the legal struggle and the repercussions that Heard's allegations have caused, Depp's career has suffered as a direct consequence. After he was labeled as violent and defamed in an article that was published in The Sun, Depp filed a lawsuit against the newspaper. The actor was unsuccessful in both his battle with the tabloid and his appeal of the decision. Soon after, Depp will be let go from not one but two big assignments. Fans are outraged that Disney has replaced Johnny Depp with another actor to play the role of charming Jack Sparrow in the Pirates of the Caribbean films. In addition to this, he was fired from his role in the Fantastic Beasts franchise by Warner Brothers. Since that time, Johnny Depp has asserted that the entertainment industry in Hollywood has boycotted him, and he's continued to voice his dissatisfaction with where he is at the moment in his career. Johnny Depp has reportedly stated that he's a victim of cancel culture and that no one is protected from the trend. These statements were made in an interview with Deadline. Depp is currently making a plea to his fans, asking them to stand by him during this time of injustice. After losing a libel complaint to The Sun in November 2021, Johnny Depp has decided to take Amber Heard to court for a defamation case. Depp claims that Heard is not telling the truth and that she has caused damage to his career. Fans are currently observing the proceedings take place in the courtroom in Fairfax, Virginia. As was said before, Depp's career has taken a significant hit as a direct result of the ongoing legal dispute and the allegations made by Heard. Minamata, a film starring Johnny Depp and produced by MGM, has just made its debut after being withdrawn from the festival circuit. We had heard that Depp's longtime partner and friend Tim Burton was rooting for him and campaigning for a successful return to Hollywood, although Robert Downey Jr. may give off the impression that he's a moral and an upstanding person at the present time, his past was anything but. Downey is one of the rare Oscar nominees who has simultaneously worked as an inmate at B50522, washing pans for a wage of only 8 cents per hour. Downey admitted to paying for prostitutes, and he was detained with heroin and cocaine in the bed of an 11-year-old boy after strolling into a random residence and passing out. In addition, Downey was arrested for a number of other offenses. This article from The Guardian goes into all of this in further depth. After all of these years, though, fans do not recognize Robert Downey Jr. in that version of himself. Since 2008, Robert Downey Jr. has portrayed Tony Stark or Iron Man in the films Iron Man 2, The Incredible Hulk, The Consultant, The Avengers, Iron Man 3, Avengers, Age of Ultron and Captain America, Civil War, Spider-Man Homecoming, Avengers Infinity War, and Avengers Endgame. If you watched Avengers Endgame, you already know that Downey has given up his suit and has developed feelings for the 3000. Downey is now considered to be one of the most admired performers in all of Hollywood. Because Downey has been in a similar situation in the past, he can empathize with Depp's predicament. It would appear that he attempted to influence Johnny Depp into accepting a role in Sherlock Holmes 3, and according to this video, he has publicly backed Depp and called him innocent. It has been speculated by a great number of individuals that Downey wants to save Johnny Depp's career. The defense team for Johnny Depp is currently conducting cross-examination of Amber Heard, who is currently on the witness stand. Heard began her testimony by talking about the final months of her marriage to Depp, which included the years 2015 and 2016. The marriage lasted until 2016. Jerry Bruckheimer, the producer of Pirates of the Caribbean, recently said that Disney is currently working on 2 scripts for Pirates of the Caribbean 6, neither of which contained Johnny Depp at the present time, but one of which does feature him. You can get additional information at this link. The joke that Depp made about Jack Sparrow has previously been addressed in court. Heard was making allegations that Depp was in possession of cocaine and repeatedly mentioned that the actor possessed a jar of the drug. If we cut to Depp, we can hear him ask his legal team, "A jar of what?" as we see on screen. Dirt in a jar? Fans of the series may recognize this as a reference to one of Jack Sparrow's lines from the show, in which he boasts, "I have a jar of dirt," while carrying a jar of the substance aboard the ship. Read on for further information. To accommodate the rum-drinking pirate who looks just like Johnny Depp, various Disney attractions from Disney World to Disneyland and beyond have adapted their attractions to accommodate Captain Jack Sparrow, played by Depp, who has become so legendary that other Disney attractions have done the same. You might run with Jack Sparrow while you're at Disney World, and if you do, you'll notice that he looks and behaves exactly as Johnny Depp does in the role.
By Adam Waldman. Is that correct?
I haven't seen the article yet.
Okay. Why don't we go to page 8 of this article?
As a result of Amber's admission that she assaulted Johnny Depp and that she defecated on purpose in their bed, Starbucks has placed tip jars in their locations so that consumers can select between Depp and Heard while they're purchasing their beverages. The media has seized on Amber Heard, notably for her attempts to mimic his multiple ensembles to an exquisite degree. In particular, the media has focused on her imitating his clothing. During the course of the preceding year, the hashtags #Justice for Johnny Depp and #I Stand with Johnny Depp were among the most popular ones. Depp portrayed Jack Sparrow in all of the Pirates of the Caribbean films that were released between 2003 and 2012, including Pirates of the Caribbean The Curse of the Black Pearl 2003, Pirates of the Caribbean Dead Man's Chest 2006, Pirates of the Caribbean At World's End 2007, Pirates of the Caribbean On Stranger Tides 2011, and Pirates of the Caribbean Dead Men Tell No Tales 2012. And with that, we come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to this channel for more new videos.